Hey Sketchlab friends! Today we're drawing a cute sea turtle sundae. This is the best combo since flip-flops and ice cream. Well, let's dive in, guys. We're going to start off sketching. So we're going to draw these two dots in a foreshortened circle. This is going to be the top of the cup. All right, now we're going to draw this wavy line. So it's this little wavy lines that create the ocean. And on top of that, we have a scoop of turtle cuteness today. So we have these two lines down for the side of the cup. And then we're going to curve a line down. All right, so this is the shape of the turtle's head. Yeah, so some sea turtles, they live to be over 100 years old. But I think this one's not going to survive our first snack attack today. So we're going to start off with the eyes. We have our circles and a little white highlight. And we're going to draw that cute little mouth. So when you're a turtle in a sundae bowl, I guess every day is Sunday fun day. All right, guys, we're going to draw the banana. So these line that curves down. I hope you guys are enjoying the summer vibes in our video today. I know I am. This guy turned out so adorable. Look at that expression. Okay, here's this little fin. He's surfing on this wave. On top of the boba tea. So instead of a root beer float, this is a turtle sundae float, it looks like. Add some little drips for this syrup dripping down. You'll see how that creates the shell of the turtle. And yes, this turtle also comes with whipped cream. And we're gonna add that cherry topper. And you can see this turtle shell is built for maximum cuteness today. And we're going to have just this one little dollop of whipped cream here. And we're ready for outlining. This is so awesome. Man, I am enjoying the summer vibes. This awesome combo today. I guess it's, what is this, guys? A turtle sundae boba float? So we're going to use value today. This is a lighter green, a yellow green. Establishing a base color. I'm going to go in with some light yellow. That's ivory, by the way, if you're using Poscas. And then this is a sunshine yellow. And I have some yellow ochre. So if you're using something else, we're just using colors value, which you have usually in a 48 to 72 pack. And so with Posca markers, you could actually put down the base color first, let it dry, and then work in layers. Or you could actually mix right on the canvas. You could actually do some color mixing. So that's one of the benefits of paint markers. You can use them like paint. I'm doing the 3 values of brown on little boba pearls. Going to go ahead and add some markings in with the regular green. Adding a little bit of shadows. And then this is more of the medium value green that I have. So we're using colors value. And when artists use value, you're adding depth and dimension to your artwork. So I've got the light pink, pink, with the cherry, you can see I've got the coral pink, the red, the dark red. Adding that little dark brown and then the cacao brown. See 3 values of brown now. With the whipped cream, I went over the ivory, now with some beige. Here's a robin's green. It's like a blue turquoise. Blue green. Got our sunshine yellow. Adding in some yellow ochre little dots. And then I've got the coral pink. I'll be going in with some dark red. And my Posca paint marker, sometimes those springs get loose and they drip paint everywhere. So I use a little bit of a paper towel to mop that up. Adding a little bit more of a darker value with emerald green. Now refreshing that outline, you can see this is contrast. It's making our artwork readable now. Well, look at this sea turtle sundae. It's turtly awesome, dudes. Well, if you enjoyed drawing with me, guys, check out my playlist here. I've got a ton more of these 3D drawing videos. And I've got some more that have these cool summer vibes. Well, I'll check you in the next video.